Welcome to our video where we're going to show you how to design your shoe sole to test it for friction. The first thing you have to do is to go to the website TinkerCad.com, and then you're going to log in with your ASF account. So you're going to go to sign up, and then you're going to log in as a student. You can join a class. The class code for you this year is X39KK6YRC. And then go to my class, and then you're going to join with Google, and in your case, you're going to join with your ASF account. So click on your ASF account, and you're going to be redirected to the class. Why are we joining a class? Well, we're doing that to have access to the base sole. So basically here I can go to my classes and then enrolled. So here I have Friction Lab, creating a shoe sole 2023. So here I can click on the first class activity, and then I'm going to click on copy and tinker. Why do I want to copy and tinker? Well, because I want to have the base sole. So you're going to start developing your pattern using this base sole. So I'm going to go to copy and tinker. And now we are going to be redirected to your TinkerCad program. So what do we see here? Well, first we see the sole. If I click around this navigation box, I can actually move around. Normally, we're going to be designing looking from the top perspective. So I can start adding different shapes. I can start, for example, adding this cylinders. Remember that here, when you click, you get the arrows. You shouldn't change the shape of the base sole, but you can change the shapes that you're adding. So here, if I click, I can scale it up and down. If I want to scale it from both sides at the same time, I can just click Shift, and then it's going to be growing from the height and width. I can also move it like that. Or if you want to be very, very clear with my dimensions, I can just go ahead and type 15. Now the units are always in millimeters. Okay, so you're gonna see here mm. If you want to be able to move it with more accuracy, you can just click here and say, can move the object, and then I can move it in 0.25 millimeters steps. Now here I can also change the height. So here I can do the width, and I can also change the height of my object. Now, again, I can just say, 3. The base sole has a height of 4.22. I can make it even smaller. It's going to be 3, okay? And now I can start putting all the objects around. So let's say I add a lot of these circles, okay? So a lot of these cylinders. So I'm gonna move the cylinder around. Now, I can also move it with the arrows. One thing I can do is, if I have a lot of them, I can also align them with this tool. So let's say I put it here. I can click one object, shift the other object, and then I can go to the align tool and say align them here, okay, or here, depending on how I want to align them, okay? So again, here on basic shapes, on your right, you have basic shapes. You also have this tool called the scribble tool. So here you can do a custom pattern that you draw, and then done, and then you get it there, okay? So you can also rotate the scribble. You can change the height. You can also scale it, okay?